welcome back to another video. So this one will be a get to know TJInspires, Dr. J. And so cool thing about me, I'm from Houston, Texas. I'm a first generational everyday. That train is loud. I'm an educator. So stay tuned. Be sure to like, subscribe to my channel. It's Dr. J. 5 things that you should know about me in less than 3 minutes. So my videos are quick, short, and to the point. Stay tuned. Fun fact about me, I do not like driving. I have my own car, driver's license. I'll drive myself around the corner up the street, but I will not drive downtown. So that's a cool fact about me, is that I don't like really driving. So I will use public transportation. Your girl. So this is downtown. So I like being outside. I love the beach. So I'll show some pictures. Also, I'm an author several times over. I have several different books, several different genres. This is one of the books. This is my first book, actually. Dream the Impossible. So college educated, first generational, grew up in a single parent home, curse breaker. So this is my first book, Dream the Impossible. Another thing about me, I don't know what number this is, but I love food. I love food. I love eating and like exploring different places, different types of food. So I've been on this kick with egg rolls. So this was in Lotus's. Go and check out my other channel, Eats and Travels, where we talk about food, life, travels. Again, I'm a big foodie, so I don't like driving. So another cool fact is that I love beach areas. I love the beach. I love the sand through my feet. So here we're at Galveston, Moody Gardens. This was with my bestie. So here's a vendor showcase that me and Damon went to showcase our books. So be sure to check us out. It's www.TJInspires.com. I'm a Jesus lover, faith-based, inspirational. So that's one top thing about me. I love church. I love traveling. So here's Vegas. Here is me graduating this year. So enjoy the video. Please don't forget to like, share, comment. So here's some of our books. You can go online to www.TJInspires.com. Don't forget to like, share, comment. See you in the next video. Have a great day, everybody. See you in the next video.